In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up your Amazon affiliate payment method. Hi, and welcome to this channel. Top left, click on Site Stripe. There are two ways to approach this. First, you can click on this and proceed, but you can hover over your email address top right and then click on account settings. You're gonna end up here. It's up to you. Payment and task information. Click on change payment method. Enter your Amazon affiliate account password to verify for security's sake. Sign in, OTP. I prefer it goes to my test instead of a call. I don't like the call. I prefer test. Send. Then I need to grab the OTP number, enter, then click on sign in. I'll do that. Check your phone. That's why it's always good to have the right phone number. The OTP number is 6 digits. When you enter, click sign in. I've signed in, and this is it, your payment method. To pay you, we will need a valid payment method in each country you earn referral fees. Right here, you can also update your tax information, but that will be another tutorial. Click on bank account. When you click on bank account, you're gonna be on this page. Add a new bank account, especially when you haven't set up one yet. You need to fill in this information, and you have to be very accurate in entering the informations here. If not, it's gonna be a problem. Depending on the country you are residing in, each country has different banking system set up. As you can tell, I have route number here /AB number, but when I change to a different country, it has to change. If I select United Kingdom, the currency should change. As you can tell, euros and pound sterling. One thing I've realized is, let's say for Canada, as you can tell, there is no Canada Amazon here. It's because there is Amazon affiliate program in Canada. That's why I can't find it here. It's a way to make you promote Amazon Canada instead of Amazon US. I want Australia. See, Australia doesn't have IBAN number. It's like that. Let's go to US and let's see the routing number. If you don't know what routing number is, you have to click here. What is this? Explain everything. That's how it works. Then when you are done, click on save changes, and that's it. To add your tax information after you are done with this, you have to go back, scroll down, taxes, update. I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.